So the very first thing that you want to do is to create account. To create account, just check the description or the comment for you to have access to the website to sign up. Okay, so over here now, just go over now to click on phone number right here, then scroll down to locate your country. Okay, maybe Nigeria. Scroll down to Nigeria right here, they enter your number right here, click on send, and they have to send you the code to your phone number. Enter it right here, and then you enter your password, right? You enter your password and then you confirm the password, then you click on sign up, and you can then create account on the application for you to start leveraging on it. Now let me scroll down, let me show you guys some hints on how the application basically work. So you can see over here it says see how it works. So you can see over here it says register and earn daily easy gem income every single day. Now once you create account on the app, they are going to give you 2,000 gem instantly upon registration, as you can see over here. Now for you to basically unlock it, you have to sign into the application every single day for like 2 days. As you can see over here, it says sign in for 2 consecutive days to unlock extra reward. I'm going to show you guys what that means and even how you can sign in on the application to earn gems, right? Just make sure that you stick to the end of the video. Now apart from the sign up bonus, once you sign in every single day to the app, you can also get some extra reward like 400 gem. Okay, once you sign into the application every single day, you can get 400 gems every single day. Now you can see over here it says multi-level referral bonuses. So once you invite your friends to the application, you are going to get 1,000 gems, as you can see over here. So now once the person that you invite also invite another person, you are going to get 600 gems, which is your second level friend. Now once the second level also invite another person, you as the first person that give all of them, you are going to get 300 gems, as you can see over here. So guys, once you invite people, the gem will be frozen on the application. Now for you to basically unlock your invitation reward, I mean the 1,000 gems, the 600 gems, and also the 300 gems, your invitees need to sign into the application for just 2 days. Once they sign in for 2 days on the app, you can then qualify to get your referral bonuses, as you can see over here. Okay, I'm going to show you guys every single thing in this particular video. Just make sure that you watch the video to the very end. Now you can see daily check-in reward. Okay, once you check into the application every single day, you can sign in daily to get 400 gems, as you can see over here. So you can log into the application every single day and you can get 400 gems, unlimited days, unlimited time. So you can log in and sign in every single day for you to get an instant 400 gems every single day. I'm going to show you guys step by step on how you can also sign in this particular video. Now you can see right now it says after you have earned all of this gem, you can see it says instant USDT conversion. Okay, so 1 gem is about 0.0015 USD, as you can see over here, and the minimum withdrawal is just 3 USDT. Once you have gotten to about 3 USDT, you can withdraw straight into your account. Okay, I'm going to show you guys step by step on how everything is done in this video. And as I said earlier, there's not even a single place where you can invest on the app. This is not an investment platform, but a free application, a totally free application that you can leverage on right now to earn freely with no single deposit. So once you create an account and you log into your account on the app, this is how your dashboard is going to look like right here. Now the very first thing that you want to do is to scroll down, and you can then see that under your available balance, you have been given an instant 2,000 gems, okay, as a welcome bonus. Okay, now the very first thing that you want to do is to sign in every single day. Now for you to sign in is very easy. You can see right now under my gems, you can see it says sign in to earn gems and redeem exclusive reward and special offers. Okay, so for you this button is going to be active. Okay, click on sign in right here and you can then sign in on the application, so you can get an instant 400 gems every single day. Okay, so you come here every 24 hours and you can then sign into the application to get an instant 400 gems every single day. So that is the first way you can earn gems on the application. The second way is by inviting your friends. Okay, you can click on this menu at the top right here, and then from here you click on invitation reward. So scroll down and you can then see over here it says recommend friends and earn gems reward. As I said earlier, once you invite your first level friend, you are going to get 1,000 gem. Second level friend, you can get 600, while the third one you can get 300. Okay, and they have to sign in. Okay, your people that you invite have to sign in to the app for 2 consecutive days for you to basically unlock your invitation reward. I hope you understand that. So just scroll down and you can then tap on copy right here, and you can copy your link and you can then invite people for you to earn like freely on the application without stressing yourself. So that is basically how the app works. Now let us talk about the most important part, which is how you can withdraw into your account. For you to withdraw, the very first thing that you want to do is to click on this airdrop address right here, which is your withdrawal address. Click on airdrop address and you have to enter your wallet address right here. And guys, on this app you can only withdraw straight into your crypto account, which is your USDT ERGOT20 wallet address. As you can see over here, it says please fill in the correct ERGOT20 wallet address. So you can go over to your Bybit account. Now let me show you how you can get your USDT ERGOT20 wallet address. Once you come over here now to your Bybit account, okay, so once you are here inside of your crypto account, so just click on this deposit right here, which is that you are depositing into your crypto account, and then you search for USDT over here on the screen. Search for USDT. Okay, and from the application we are asked to select the ERGOT20 wallet address. Okay, so from here just select this Ethereum, which is USDT ERGOT20. Click on it and then you can then get your wallet address. Click on copy right here and you can get your wallet address. Then you head back to the app and then you paste the address right here. Okay, click on paste and then you scroll down and then you click on confirm, and that is exactly how you can bind your withdrawal address. Now for you to basically withdraw is very easy. You click on menu at the top and then you click on my asset right here. Click on my asset and from here you click on flash swap for you to basically swap your gem into USD. Okay, you can see for me on my balance I have about 22,800 gems, which is worth about 3.42 USD. Okay, so click on flash swap and you can then enter your amount of gem that you want to swap, and you can click on these two and then you can click on it, then select USDT, which you are swapping into USDT. So you click on maximum and you can then see the what you are getting in USD. So you can see one gem is about 0.0015 USDT and the handling fee is just 1%. So after filling all of the details, you click on confirm at the bottom and you can then swap it. So you click on confirm and you can then swap it. As you can see over here, it says swap successful. So after that you can go back right now, then click on back and you can then tap on the withdrawal right here and you can then withdraw your USDT straight into your withdrawal address without any single stress. Okay, that is exactly how the application works.